index? Oh, I see. All I have to do is write that number down.
Your prospects of success in any course of study, academic, vocational, or artistic, depend first on systematic development of your mind, and secondly, on efficient use of your time. Efficient studying is largely a matter of habit. Planned, positive suggestion is the quickest, most effective means known for modifying old habits and establishing new ones. These suggestions on this recording will help you to cultivate good study habits, will make the learning process easier and more enjoyable than you've ever found before. That is what you desire. That is the reason why you are listening to this recording. So, let us begin.
And it will display images so I know where I am. Concert.